pleasant ship, and those who toil and labor aboard her.
Please. I don't like begging, but now I'm on bending knee. I got to get to rock and get my hat off the rack. I got to boogie woogie like a knife in the back. So be my guest, you've got nothing to lose. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise? Ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee, baby, ooh-wee. Won't you let me take you on a sea cruise?
It's a new Disney ship.
The Disney Wonder sets sail on its maiden voyage today.
A year after wading into the cruise industry for the first time.
The ship is billed as featuring the best in family entertainment.
It's absolutely spectacular. I cannot tell you what a blast this cruise ship is.
Just like birds of a feather, I won't tell no lie. All of the people around us, they say, can they be that close? Just let me state for the record, we're giving love in a family dose. We are family. Hey, I got all my sisters with me. We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Sing it to me. We are family. I got all my sisters with me. We are family. Get up, everybody, and sing. Living life is fun, and we've just begun to get our share of this world's delight. High hopes we have for the future and our goals in sight. We know we don't get depressed. Here's what we call our golden rule. Have faith in you and the things you do. You won't go wrong. Oh no, this is our family jewel. We are family.
sail into the future. Disney Cruise Line thanks you for venturing out on our sea of imagination. Please enjoy the rest of your voyage on Disney Cruise Line.
I'm proud of what only we can do at Disney.
Overall, the cruise business is getting the highest ratings of any business we have in our whole company. So give yourselves a big...
You don't get to where we are in the Wonder without a lot of great cast members. Some of you have been here 5 years, and some of you with the cruise line, and some of you have been here a couple weeks, but you don't get there without that.
Without each and every one of your help, each and every one of your dedication, your hard work that's gone into this, we would not be as successful as we are today. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for your efforts, and let's continue to make this the best cruise line in the whole world. Thank you so much.
You've been so kind and generous. I don't know, you keep on giving. For your kindness, I'm in debt to you. For your selflessness, my admiration. For everything you've done, you know I'm bound to thank you for it. La, 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 You've been so kind and generous. I don't know how you keep on giving. For your kindness, I'm in debt to you. And I never could have come this far without you. For everything you've done, you know I'm bound to thank you for it.